In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get and add webcam overlays in Streamlabs. Go to your browser and search for free webcam overlays, and here you get bunch of different websites from where you can easily download webcam overlay. I suggest to open this PNG3 website, and here just sign in for free. And this website provides lots of PNG or transparent webcam overlay. Just select any of the overlay and click on download PNG and select relax download, and we can see the overlay successfully downloaded. Now go to your Streamlabs, and here I already added a dummy webcam. Now to add an overlay to this webcam, click on this create new source. In here I'm going to select image because my overlay is a image, so I'm selecting add source and clicking on browse, and from my computer I'm just selecting the downloaded overlay and clicking on done. We can see the overlay added. Now it's time to resize the overlay just like this, and then we have to put the webcam at the bottom of the image or overlay. So this is my gameplay video, this is my webcam, and this is the overlay. So make sure your webcam source at the bottom of your overlay. Now selecting the webcam, and here I'm just adjusting the size of my webcam just like this, and it's look perfect. And that's it. That's how you can actually easily add webcam overlays in Streamlabs.